Welcome to Scholar Skills, SAT Word Express, vocabulary to go. Let's take a look at the prefix ab. What does it mean? Well, we know it begins words like abnormal, also words like abduct, and the simple word absent. Well, what does it mean in those words? Well, what do these words mean? We can say that abnormal means not normal or away from the normal. We could say that abduct means to lead away, and that absent means away from someplace. It's easy to see then that ab means away from. So anytime we see AB, we think away from or just from or just away. When did they abduct the queen? They took her away from the castle last night. You see the word abduct. Well, what are some words that use the prefix ab? We've got abstract, abrupt, abdicate, abhor, abstain, and abominable. To abhor something is to, well, if you chose number 2, you'd be correct. Why? Well, ab, hor, this part of the word means to tremble, or shudder away, and so to tremble away from. Literally, something that makes me tremble away from it is something I hate. 2 would be correct. Hate it. What does abdicate mean? Well, again, away from, and this time, decate is from the word decare and means to proclaim. So if you're proclaiming away from, and the word picks up the sense of someone or a king who is saying that he's no longer going to be in his office. He is proclaiming away from. So to abdicate means to, if you guess 2, let's see, you'd be correct. Give up authority. So to abdicate means to give up authority. To abort a mission is to, again, away from, and so we'd say cancel and give up on it. Those who want to avoid being drunk, again, here's a key word, abstain from drinking. Ab, away from, and this stain, or stenare in this case, means to keep away from something. All right. Now we're going to review by taking a look at some of these Latin bases that will go with the word ab, okay? So let's take a look-see. First we have errare. If I put ab in front of it, what does that mean? Aberrare, you may have seen the word before. In this case, the word is aberration. An aberration is when someone wanders away or strays away in error from the path. In other words, it's not something that normally happens, it's just a wandering away from your normal conduct. An aberration. She was late, but because it was just an aberration, her teacher decided not to fail her or punish her. Rompere. Let's put ab in front of that too. Ab rompere. Well, you might recognize this, and of course it would be abrupt. What does abrupt mean? It means to break away from. So abrupt, ab rompere, to break away from. And this rupt, break, you'll see in other words like interrupt or disrupt. ESSE, to be. If I put AB in front of that, I come up with the word absent. And what about this word? Absolvere, to loosen or to dissolve, to untie, to release. The king absolved the thief of all of his crimes. To absolve means to loosen away from, to free someone from usually guilt or the consequences of something that they had committed. Absorbere is easy, isn't it? To absorb or to suck in, to suck away from. Abnegare, to refuse or deny, to refuse away from, to say to yourself, I'm going to abnegate, I'm not going to be eating meat this week. Ab, UTI, use, we know the word abuse, or to use away from its proper purpose. Ducere means to lead away. If I say abducere, well, I'm leading away from. So in this case, it would be to abduct. So let's review then. Abduct, aberration, absolve. Another word we can think of is the word abjure. This means to swear, swear away. And so these are all new words that we can learn from the prefix ab.